Hi everyone, I'm Hanano. Today we have some super exciting news about a brand new project at TCK.
Hello, I'm Goma. It's finally starting. The name is SDGs Lab at TCK.
We hear the word SDGs a lot lately, but many of you might be wondering, what can I actually do?
Exactly. In this lab, we take the 17 goals and make them personal. It's a continuous workshop where you'll create solutions and express them in English.
The program has two parts, morning and afternoon. The morning session is going to be online and focusing on learning and discussion.
Then, the afternoon session is in person. We'll dive deeper into the topics and work on creative outputs like making posters.
Don't worry if you can't join every time. Single session participation is more than welcome.
During summer break, we'll meet every Friday. If you're visiting Japan, joining our in-person sessions is a great way to make friends and memories.
Our very first session is going to be on Monday, March 30th, and the theme is goal number 1, no poverty.
Mao-sensei will join the morning online session, and I will be there in person. Let's practice thinking logically and expressing ourselves in English.
Why not take the first step to change the world right here?
We are looking forward to seeing you all.
See you at SDGs Lab. Bye-bye.
Bye.